Do surveys for money with these websites. Make money online. Are you ready to take your spare time and turn it into a path to financial freedom? If you're watching this video, that question is aimed squarely at you. So if you're ready, let us know in the comments by typing, "Yes, I am." Today, we're delving deep into a world where your opinions can earn you anywhere from $100 to a whopping $500. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or anyone keen on boosting their income in a simple, enjoyable, and flexible manner, this video is tailor-made for you. Let's dive straight into the world of online survey opportunities. WatchLab. Our first stop on the survey journey is WatchLab, a market research company with a lot to offer. At WatchLab, you can expect to pocket an average of $150 for participating in various studies. And guess what? They offer multiple ways for you to participate. You can take surveys, engage in remote webcam interviews, perform in-person usability testing on websites, mobile devices, or tablets. If that's not your style, how about joining a remote focus group, participating in interviews, debates, taste tests? Yeah, sometimes you get paid for tasting and sharing your thoughts on food, or even pretending to be a juror in mock trials. WatchLab truly has something for everyone. Step 1. Sign up. First, visit the WatchLab website at watchlab.com. Second, click on the sign up or registration button. Third, complete the required information, including your personal details and contact information. And fourth, create a username and password for your account. Step 2. Join the community. Consider joining WatchLab's Facebook community for the latest updates on available research opportunities. Step 3. Explore earning options. First, WatchLab offers a range of research methods, including surveys, remote webcam interviews, usability testing, focus groups, interviews, panels, debates, taste tests, and even mock trials. And choose the research method that suits you best and matches your availability. Step 4. Participate and get paid. Engage in the selected research activities and provide your valuable feedback. Then, WatchLab pays participants on average about $150 per hour, depending on the type of study. And lastly, payments are typically made via check or Amazon gift cards. On average, you can make about $150 per hour, and they offer payment via check or Amazon gift cards. Focus Scope. Next up, we have Focus Scope, a platform that can reward you with anywhere from $100 to $500 for sharing your opinions. Just like WatchLab, Focus Scope thrives on gathering market data from willing participants like you. They even have a Facebook group where they post recent surveys, making it super easy to jump in on opportunities. Step 1. Access the website. You have to visit the Focus Scope website, then look for the See Newest Focus Group section to find available surveys. Step 2. Choose your surveys. Browse through the available surveys and select the ones that interest you. Then pay attention to survey details such as expected completion time and compensation. Step 3. Provide your feedback. Engage in the selected surveys and share your thoughts. Then finally, Focus Scope pays between $100 to $500 for participating in these studies, depending on the survey's complexity. User Interview. Now let's talk about User Interview. User Interview pays around $100 per hour for your opinions. Much like other platforms, it's all about market research and helping organizations make informed decisions by tapping into your insights. Just a word of advice: stay alert for survey availability, as they might fill up quickly after this video goes live. For step 1, register. Visit the User Interview website and create your account. Then complete your profile with accurate information, including your skills, interests, and demographics. Step 2. Explore available surveys. Browse through the available surveys and research studies on the platform. Then select the ones that align with your expertise and interests. And for step 3, participate and earn. Engage in the surveys or studies that you've chosen. User Interview pays approximately $100 per hour for your valuable insights. Adapol. Adapol is another platform worth exploring. By completing surveys, you can earn points that can be converted into gift cards or cold hard cash through PayPal. But here's the crucial part, and it's true for another platform we'll discuss later that's open to participants worldwide. It's all about your profile. Step 1. Sign up. Register on the Adapol website by providing essential details, including your email address and personal information. Step 2. Build a comprehensive profile. After registering, complete your profile by adding information about your hobbies, qualifications, employment, and demographics. A well-rounded profile increases your chances of receiving more survey invitations. Step 3. Take surveys and accumulate points. Participate in surveys provided by Adapol. Accumulate points for each survey you complete. And step 4. Redeem your rewards. Convert your earned points into gift cards or cash via PayPal. Enjoy earnings of up to $100 per hour depending on the surveys and your profile. Honesty is key here. You don't want to be disqualified from surveys because of inaccurate profile information. Respondent. Now, let's talk about Respondent, where the rewards range from $100 to a whopping $700 per hour. Respondent values professionals from various backgrounds. For example, software developers can earn around $200 per hour, while marketers can pocket $150 per survey. And corporate executives have the potential to make up to $700 per task. It's all about having the right profile to attract relevant surveys. Step 1. Sign up. Visit the Respondent website and create your account. Then provide detailed information in your profile to match with relevant survey opportunities. Step 2. Explore survey opportunities. Browse through the available surveys and studies. Respondent offers opportunities for professionals in software development, marketing, corporate executive roles, enterprise software users, business owners, and more. And step 3. Participate in high-paying surveys. Select surveys that match your qualifications and interests. Earn impressive amounts ranging from $100 to a whopping $700 per hour based on the survey type and your expertise. Panda Research. Moving on to Panda Research, where you can earn by taking surveys, reading emails, and referring others to their website. Activities typically take 10 to 20 minutes, and you'll receive your earnings via PayPal. Surveys can fetch you around $75 each, and reading emails can net you 50 cents per email. The simplicity of these tasks makes it easy to accumulate earnings. Survey Club. Lastly, we have Survey Club, one of the highest paying survey platforms out there. Most of their surveys offer an impressive $115, and this isn't an average, it's what you can typically expect. Like the other platforms, you'll need to sign up and create a profile. Once you're in, you'll receive emails about research studies tailored to you. Participate, share your opinions, and start earning. Please note that Survey Club is limited to residents of the United States, the United Kingdom, and Canada. But if you fall into one of these categories, you're in for some lucrative opportunities. Now that you're armed with the knowledge of these fantastic survey platforms, it's time to take action. Your free time can transform into a significant source of income by sharing your valuable opinions. Remember to subscribe for more insights, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Thank you for joining us on Profitability Plus, where we're here to help you make the most of your time and talents. Your journey to financial freedom starts with the simple steps, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Until next time, stay profitable.